Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to add camera button in control center using iPhone X. But first, can you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the control center, then tap. Then after that, in the control center, scroll down and go to more controls, then find the camera. And as you will see, there's a positive button on the side of it. Then all you have to do is just tap until your camera controls is on the included controls. And if you want to check it, if it's already in the control center, just drag down the right side of your screen. And as you will see that the camera button is already in your control center. And that's it, we have successfully added camera button in control center using iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!